Hello, Tahoe, and welcome to another episode of Living in Tahoe. And if you are not living in Tahoe, I feel sorry for you too, because it is a perfect summer day. It's about 76 degrees. The humidity is about 20%. It's beautiful, perfect. You can go do lake things, you can have fun, and I've got a great house to show you today. I'm gonna show you this house. It's a beautiful house, and I've got a special surprise at the very end, so stick around, because this is awesome. Great house. We're in Zephyr Cove on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, so you don't have to pay state income tax. The beach is about 5 minutes away. Skyline Drive is right over there. Some expensive homes, $10 to $20 million on the lake. Awesome, right? This house is not $10 to $20 million. I'll tell you the price of this house real soon. But let's go check it out, because Zephyr Cove is a great town. The casinos are about minutes away with all the great entertainment, all the incredible restaurants, all the fun you can have. Edgewood is right there. They just had the American Championships with the Pro-Am with all the celebrities and everything. It's a huge event. Now, we just had that a few weeks ago, and it's summer in Tahoe. It's great. Let's go check out this house. Rhiannon, the listing agent, is gonna help us look at this house because it's so massive. And again, stick around to the very end, because you're gonna wanna see what's happening at the very end. So let's see if Rhiannon's here.
Hi,
hey,
come on in.
All right. So what I love about this entryway, it's covered, so if it's snowing, you don't have to worry about snow again on here. And then this is all tile right here. I love that. So let's come on in the living room. Wow, this is lovely. You are Rhiannon.
I'm Rhiannon Simpson with Chase International out of Zephyr Cove. License number is 017-5573. You can find me at rhiannonsimpson.com. And this is 1030 Lynn.
Excellent. So tell me about this house. What do you love about this house? I see a beautiful, great room, kitchen area here.
Yeah, this room and this house I think is great for entertaining. It can support a large party or a large family. It's got 5 bedrooms, 6 full baths.
Awesome. Okay, let's check out the kitchen. So I love it. A house this big with this many bedrooms, you gotta have a nice sized kitchen, but a nice sized kitchen that flows, and this one definitely does. You've got exit here, so people are coming in and out. It's great. I can just imagine having a big party here. Could you see that? Having all your friends over here. And then if you're cooking or serving, whatever, you've got the refrigerator there, dishwasher, disposal, cooktop oven here, and then 2 more ovens here, right?
Yes.
I love it. And what is that right there?
That is a wine fridge.
Oh, we all know how much Tahoe Donia loves that. All right, so beautiful kitchen. And I love what you did. So you, because if somebody wanted to make this darker, a little more modern, check out this picture. Rhiannon did these great AI shots. So this is what it looks like with darker cabinets. A little more updated, if you would say. All right, but personally, I like the wood. I like the Tahoe feel of it. I mean, we're in Tahoe, we're in the heart of Tahoe, so this is great. But let's go check out this little, I love this. If it's just you and a couple, your family, or a couple of friends, you've got this cute little breakfast table here, nice chandelier hanging down. I love it. And then now, if we come all the way over in here, we don't want to bypass the fireplace though. And this is wood burning, is that correct? So if you want to have your traditional wood burning, crackling fireplace, this is it. And this is in the original house, right?
Yes, sir.
Which was 1961?
1961 was the original construction, yes.
And when did they update everything? Because this is obviously not 1961 construction.
Correct. Everything was updated in 2011. The whole upstairs was added on, and we didn't even roof at that time.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Let's go check out the deck, because in Tahoe, the days are so beautiful. You're out on your deck a lot. So, and this house has a nice deck. So let's check it out. Look at this lovely deck here. We've got umbrellas, and I love the lights out here. So starting to get darker earlier now. We're in August, and having the lights out here just creates a nice party mode. Is that what you say?
Absolutely. I think this deck would be great for entertaining any kind of party or guest that you may have. It flows great from the kitchen to the formal dining to the exterior deck, which is massive, as you can see.
Excellent. And I saw speakers up there, right?
Oh yes, every room in the house has speakers, and they're all on their own separate controls.
We love control. Everybody loves some control. Elizabeth, check this out though. Let me show this, because as a man, I love to barbecue. For some reason, when you have a dinner party, all the guys stand around the barbecue, and they stand right here and probably have an ice chest or something, and they're talking, they're talking about critiquing barbecues. This is a perfect spot for it. I love it. Check this out. We've got a beautiful dining room. Tell me about the heat and the cooling in this house. There's air conditioning, is that correct?
It's forced air
So you do, so forced air, so you can turn the heat on, warm up the whole house, and you can cool it off in the summertime too, right? But I mean, it's a beautiful day in the middle of summer and the house feels perfect and there's no air on. Awesome, so lovely dining room. Let's go check out some of the bedrooms. So before we go upstairs, I want to show you something really important because we've got a whole bedroom suite here, which is awesome. So if you have somebody, friends or family who don't like to go up and down stairs, you can put them in here. So you've got a full bedroom with a nice, beautiful bathroom as well on the main floor. So I get a lot of requests from people on the main floor, whether it's their parents or can't go upstairs. This is perfect. I love this. I'm really glad they did this. So the house's size, I love the size of this living room. How many people can you sit here?
I'd say at least 10 for me.
That's great because we've got 5 bedrooms, right? So we've got plenty of room in here. So again, whether you have guests here or family or you're entertaining, this is a massive living room. I love it. And the fireplace, it's a gas fireplace.
Fireplace, yeah.
Remote control, just click it on, you set the mood. You got the giant screen, so if you want to watch a game or whatever people are watching nowadays. What do you watch? What's your favorite show?
Reality TV.
Reality TV? Are you a reality TV person?
Sometimes, Bachelor in Paradise.
Okay, all right. We learned something about Rhiannon. I love it. So great screen to watch that with all your friends. You got plenty of room. You got cup holders in here. So I love it. So this is like a nice house. We got really nice things, but are not so high end that you don't want to touch anything or break it. I love that. That's my kind of house. So let's go check out the hallway here. We've got a bathroom right here that's going to service all your friends partying out here. So we've got a bath with a shower, and we've got a laundry room here, which is nice for a house this big. And then what is this here? I love this. I noticed there's sprinklers in the house.
There is a whole house fire suppression system, and it's all serviced by this large water tank here.
Isn't that awesome?
Very important these days with the fire risks that we are seeing in Tahoe.
I love it. So this will make you feel safe, and it should help you lessen your fire insurance, correct?
Yes, absolutely.
Awesome. And what's behind you?
Behind me is the oversized 3-car garage.
And this is, you are not lying, this is incredible. And we've got a door to the outside, I love it. Plenty of room for all your toys. As you can see, this family is very active. They got bikes. I can imagine kayaks hanging up in here, snowboards. You've got room for like a little ski wax bench. We've got the extra refrigerator over there. This is fantastic. So before we go upstairs and show you more of the house, let me introduce myself. I am Tahoe Tony, the managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate, servicing the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. So if you're thinking about making the move to Lake Tahoe, enjoy some of these beautiful summer days we have, and not pay state income tax, reach out to me, whether you're thinking about 6 days, 6 weeks, or even 16 months. Somebody on the team will get back to you and we'll make sure this is the best real estate experience you've ever had. So we're finishing up the downstairs. What a great house, right? We got a massive, great room, beautiful free-flowing kitchen, little breakfast area, dining room, a full ensuite guest bedroom, or you can use that as a master bedroom if you don't like going up and downstairs. Another full bathroom right here, that great fire suppressant for the whole house, and a massive garage. So let's go upstairs. What do we have upstairs?
Upstairs we have 4 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms.
And a den, right?
And a den.
Oh, so more partying space in this house. I love it. Let's go check it out. So we've come upstairs now. The stairs themselves are lovely. We've got all these beautiful windows here, adding a lot of natural light. Down here we have a wing. We have 2 bedrooms. And then the far bedroom is ensuite with a big bathroom so all the kids can get ready together. It's a great room. I love it. And then there is another bedroom here, and it is not ensuite, but we do have a full bath right here, right next to the bedroom. So it should work out great. And this also works as a half bath for this awesome room right here. Check this out, Rhiannon. A beautiful room. We've got another TV here. So if someone's downstairs watching The Bachelorette, you don't have to have them watch that. They can come here and watch something else. They've got a full fridge here. And then popcorn sign. You could easily put a popcorn maker up there. What a great room. We got a ceiling fan too. And well, it's air conditioning, right?
Yep.
Right, so air conditioning plus the ceiling fan, everything's awesome. I love it.
And surround sound.
So here we are in the master suite. I love it. We've got cathedral ceilings, ceiling fan. We got a fireplace right here. We've got this beautiful master suite bathroom right here. We got plenty of counter space. We got a sink, we got a tub. with this lovely walk-in closet. But let's go at the deck. This is great because every house has that. They don't have it that nice, but not every house has this beautiful deck out here. And ta-da, peaks of the lake. How nice is that? So you can hang out here, a little privacy, peak of the lake, like go water skiing this morning. Look how, anybody water skiing more? Nobody water skis more. What are they wakeboard, thank you. So we go wakeboarding, look how beautiful the lake is. I love it. Another great benefit of this house is they've got a whole nother bedroom right down the hallway here. It's full ensuite. So if you've got little kids, whatever, they're close for you. People like that. It's also very nice to use that as a spare bedroom or hobby room or whatever. I love it. It's right up here. We also have 2 extra closets. Everything's house is great. Well thought out. Awesome. We're outside now. This is a beautiful yard. This is a corner lot. So you got a nice big yard out here. And what were you saying? You have kids, right? So you were thinking of a...
Yeah, I think you could definitely put a whole play site out here for younger children. Otherwise, you might be able to use this for a game of cornhole with your buddies.
Cornhole, right? That would be fun. Bocce ball. We could do a lot of things out here. It's a beautiful yard. So a great house. Rhiannon, you've shown this house many times. You've done open houses here. What are some of the comments people made about the house as far as what they really like and what they would like to change?
Number one thing people really like about this house, I think, is location and how close it is to the beach. It's only a 5-minute walk, which makes this house really, really nice. The things that I've heard that people would change about the house is maybe updating the exterior brick and then also adding wood floors.
Yeah, I could see wood floors would make a big difference in there. But a great house. I love it the way it is. If you want to add some wood floors, that's not a very big expense, but so many benefits of this house. If you just want to have a nice big house or a couple families get on this house, it's also, we have an estimate on what someone can make if they put it on a vacation rental program.
Yeah, absolutely. This house can sleep 15 people. It's got parking for 6. I think it'd be a great short-term or long-term rental. On the short-term side, I do have a pro forma from Lux Vacate for $111,000 to $177,000 net per year.
It's over 100 grand, 125, 130 grand per year if you own this and you wanted to use it as an investment property. It's on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, so our houses appreciate very well. And then I mentioned earlier about a special surprise. Can we go check out the special prize? Can you take us there? With this house, you get access to Lake Tahoe, right? So the lakefront houses are $10 to $20 million because they're on the lake and they have their own beaches. But if you live in this neighborhood, you get access to a beach. And the best news is there's no HOA, so you don't have to pay for it.
That's correct.
Isn't that awesome? Let's go check out the beach.
Absolutely.
Awesome, so now you know why I wore this great shirt, right? I wore my beach shirt because I wanted to surprise you with this great beach you get. So if you buy that house, 1030 Lynn Way in Zephyr Cove, you get access to this beautiful beach. Is that correct?
That's right, Tony.
And what else can you tell us about this beach that is so awesome?
This beach is awesome because it's private. You don't have an HOA fee, but you have access to beautiful Lake Tahoe here. There's also security on the 4th of July and big holidays such as Celebrity Golf Tournament weekend, which you know is very popular here in Lake Tahoe.
Very popular. We got Labor Day coming up in a few weeks, which I can't believe. Not the end of summer to me. I don't believe that's the end of summer, but you have kids, so your life is changing, right?
Absolutely, but you know what? These kids will play in that water until it freezes over, so.
That's awesome. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video as much as we made enjoying it. We're gonna go spend the rest of the day at the beach, actually. Rhiannon's family is here. They're having a great time. I mean, it's lovely out there. Are the buoys, are they part of the beach or are they part of the homeowners?
The buoys are not part of the beach.
Okay. Across the way is Emerald Bay. See some lovely shots of Emerald Bay. That's one of the most famous picturesque spots in all of Lake Tahoe. It's great. I like this little bit of a cove here so you can get in and out. You know, it's nice having access to the lake because if you want to have access to the lake, you have to either buy a lakefront house, which in this neighborhood, they're $10 to $30 million. A little bit out of Tahoe Tony's price budget. What about you? Are you lakefront?
Out of my price.
Okay, all right. We'll get there though. Check us in 2 years, we'll see. Or you can buy a house for, what is it, $3,145,000?
That's correct.
And get access to this beach. And then if you want to help rent that house out when you're not using it, you could, you know, add on $100,000 a year income possibly. So
one thing I wanted to add too, Tony, is if you did have a boat, there are several marinas in the area where you can store your boat on a buoy, and those run right around $3,000 a year last I heard.
Okay, awesome, great information. I appreciate that. Right, because the The marina is just down the road, like 2 miles,
You've
2.5
got
miles.
You've got Round Hill Pines. Zephyr Cove Beach is only about a mile away from here. And then you've got Lakeside Marina as well.
I love it. I love it. So more great valuable information for you. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and subscribe. Click on the notification bell. You'll be notified the next time I send out, or we send out, another great video showing you how awesome Lake Tahoe is. A great house you can buy at Lake Tahoe that gets access to the beach. And if you want to learn the difference between living in California and Nevada, go ahead and click on the link below or scan the QR code and it'll give you access to my free report that compares your taxes between California and Nevada. It's a great report. Some people talking about that, they said they love it. It's so valuable. So click on that. And Rhiannon, thank you very much. I love that house. Hopefully we can bring you a buyer.
Absolutely.
And then we'll all celebrate.